Welcome back to Bite Size Dentistry, where we break down dental health into small, easy to understand bites. Today, we dive into a common issue, teeth spacing, whether it is a charming gap or a wider issue. Today we'll discuss it. What is teeth spacing? Teeth spacing, or it is also known as the diastema, it is the space between your upper front teeth or generalized in entire teeth set. It is known as the teeth spacing. If it is in between the front two teeth, it is known as the diastema. If it is generalized in entire mouth, it is known as the generalized teeth spacing. What are the causes of teeth spacing? There are multiple factors which can lead to teeth spacing. First is a genetic factor. If your parents have this kind of space in between teeth, there are chances you will also get the teeth spacing. Second factor is a thumb sucking habit. If you have this habit, there are chances it pushes your teeth forward direction and it can lead to space between your teeth. Next is oversized labial frenum. Labial frenum is a thick soft tissue band between the upper lip and the gum of the upper front teeth. If it is oversized, it can lead and it prevents the teeth coming together and causes the teeth spacing between the front teeth. Next is the discrepancy between the teeth size and jaw size. Yes, it is very important. If your teeth size is very small than your jaw size, it can lead to space between the teeth. Additionally, if you have the missing tooth anywhere in the mouth, it can also lead to teeth spacing between the teeth. It is important to understand while some embrace this gap and unique aspect of their smile, while other requires the dental treatment due to aesthetic concern or maybe underlying the dental health issue. The gap tooth smile can be enduring and it can consider as a beauty mark of their smile, but still it can lead to several dental health issues if it is left unchecked. So let's see what are the consequences of the teeth spacing. First is the dental health. Gap between tooth can accumulate the food particles in between the teeth and it can causes the plaque accumulation, it can lead to tartar and it can lead to gum disease also, because it makes it difficult to clean in that areas and it can lead to cavities also. Next is the malalignment of teeth. If teeth spacing is there, it can lead to malalignment of teeth. Because of the malalignment, there is uneven force distribution during the chewing. So it can lead to wear and tear of the certain teeth in certain areas and it can causes the fracture or breakage of the tooth on those areas. The gap can affect how you speak also, particularly the sounds like s, z. It requires the teeth should be in the close contact with each other. So it can lead to speech impairment and ultimately the communication skill and the social setting. Jaw pain and TMJ issues. Because of the malalignment or spacing in between the tooth can lead to strain on the muscles of our jaw and our joint also. TMJ is a joint in between our both the jaws, upper and lower. It is here. So it can lead to TMJ issues also. Symptoms of TMJ can include jaw pain, difficulty in opening and closing your mouth, or even headache. Next is self-esteem. Many people can feel self-conscious about their smile because they have space in between their teeth and they loses willingness to smile also. This can influence social interaction and the quality of life also. What are the signs and symptoms of teeth spacing? So how do you know the teeth spacing is an issue for you? So here are some signs and symptoms of the teeth spacing. First is a frequent food trapping in between the teeth. If you find your food particle gets stuck in between the tooth very frequently, it can lead to gum disease and even decay also. So it's an issue for you. Second is difficulty in cleaning. Gaps can really make it difficult to clean in certain areas. If you find in spite of good brushing and flossing, there are some areas who gets plaque accumulation. It is because of the teeth spacing. Next is jaw pain and difficulty in chewing. As seen, because of the spacing in between the tooth, there are chances of malalignment or of your teeth. So it can lead to jaw pain because of the malalignment, and it can lead to difficulty in chewing also. Next is speech difficulty. There are certain sounds like s, z. If you find out difficult to pronounce these sounds, it is because of the teeth spacing. Widening of the gaps. If you observe your gaps are becoming more pronounced, it is because of the underlying dental health issue. So because of the teeth spacing, it can lead to gum disease and other problems. So it can cause the widening of the gaps. If you notice any of this symptom, it is time to visit a dentist and resolve it. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent further serious complication down the road. What are the treatment options for teeth spacing? Fortunately, there are multiple treatment options available to treat the teeth spacing. It depends on the personal preference or individual needs, or the amount of teeth spacing is present. So let's explore some. First is braces or clear aligner. Braces or clear aligner can move your teeth in a correct position. So braces is basically a bracket, and wire can eventually generate the force on the teeth and move them in a correct position and hold them there. Clear aligner is a custom made removable trays which can progressively shift the teeth in a correct position. So both the treatment can help and treat the teeth spacing and move them in a correct position for the lifetime. Second option is a dental bonding. This is a cosmetic procedure in which composite resin is used to fulfill the space in between the teeth. So the composite resin can be applied on the teeth, and it is given the shape and close the space in between the teeth. It is a quick and very affordable option, but it is not as durable as the other options. Next option is a veneer. Veneer is a thin custom-made shells which is applied on the front surface of the teeth to close the gaps. It is made of porcelain or composite material to close the space in between the tooth. It is a permanent option than the bonding, and it can last a lifetime. So it resolves the other problems also, like discoloration or minor malalignment of teeth also. Next is the surgical options. In severe cases, minor surgical procedure is required to treat the or reposition the teeth and underlying the bone issue. For example, if patient has a thick labial frenum, the frenectomy procedure is required. It is one kind of surgical procedure to reduce the tissue thickness in those areas. In severe cases, if there is a jaw malalignment is there and it can prevent the correction of the teeth spacing, orthognathic surgery is required to correct the teeth spacing. Each of these treatment option has their pros and cons. Like clear aligner and braces are most effective treatment option, but it requires a longer duration of treatment. Dental bonding is very quicker option, but it requires the frequent touch-ups in the future. Next is the veneer. Veneer is the most durable option in this condition, but it is a invasive procedure. Visiting a dentist can help you to decide your treatment plan and resolve your teeth spacing issues.